Have you ever questioned if your retirement plan is fully optimized? You're not alone. At Smart Wealth Planning, we transform financial uncertainty into assurance. Today, we will explore the triple pillar strategy. This robust method connects traditional retirement accounts with innovative insurance options. While many Americans know about the 401k and IRAs, few realize how indexed universal life (IUL) insurance can strengthen your financial foundation. By the end of this video, you will understand how these tools work together to potentially increase wealth, reduce taxes, and protect your family's future. Let's dive into the approach that financial professionals trust for their own families. First, let's talk about 401k plans. Meet Sarah, who earns $80,000 a year. Through her 401k, she makes a strategic move for her future. She contributes $1,000 a month into her account. A 401k offers three key benefits: pre-tax contributions, potential employer matching, and tax-deferred growth. Her annual contribution lowers her taxable income from $80,000 to $68,000. This means significant tax savings for Sarah. Her employer matches 50% of her contributions, giving her an extra $6,000 in free money. With tax-deferred compounding, Sarah's investments grow without annual taxation. This is like a financial accelerator for her long-term growth. However, there are limits. Currently, the contribution cap for those under 50 in 2025 is $23,500. If Sarah withdraws before age 59 and a half, she faces a 10% penalty plus taxes. This discourages early access to funds. While useful, 401ks alone may lack the flexibility necessary for true retirement security. Now, let's discuss IRAs. Here's Michael, who is opening an individual retirement account, IRA. IRAs offer more control and investment choices, independent of employment. Michael must decide between a traditional or Roth IRA. With a traditional IRA, he contributes pre-tax funds, lowering his taxable income. This means he won't pay taxes until he withdraws in retirement. If Michael expects to be in a lower tax bracket later, this is beneficial. On the other hand, contributions to a Roth IRA are after tax. There's no immediate tax relief, but qualified withdrawals in retirement are tax-free. This is particularly appealing to younger investors like Michael who could see substantial growth. Currently, the IRA limit is $7,000 annually for individuals under 50. Both accounts impose penalties for early withdrawals before age 59 and a half, but Roth IRAs allow more flexibility. Despite their strengths, a 401k and IRA have risks: market volatility and uncertain tax rates. Let's turn to indexed universal life insurance, the IUL. Meet Jennifer. She has maxed her 401k and IRA. Now, she's seeking tax benefits and protection through an IUL. IULs provide a death benefit and living benefits that can enhance her retirement plan. When Jennifer pays her premium, part covers insurance costs. The rest builds a cash value account that grows over time. Her cash value links to market indices like the S&P 500, allowing growth without loss during market declines. Jennifer benefits from upside potential along with downside protection. If markets decline, she is safeguarded with usually a 0% floor. This mix of growth potential and protection is why many investors turn to IULs, especially near retirement. Furthermore, IULs provide tax-deferred growth and access to cash value through tax-free policy loans. This means Jennifer can access retirement income while controlling her tax bracket. The death benefit transfers tax-free to her beneficiaries, bypassing probate's complexities. Also, unlike a 401k and IRA, IULs have no contribution limits, benefiting high-income earners or late savers. However, IULs require long-term commitment, becoming effective usually after 10 to 15 years. They complement, rather than replace, a 401k and IRA. Now, let's integrate these pillars. Sarah, Michael, and Jennifer are all working toward a secure retirement. First, capture your employer match by contributing enough to your 401k for 100% matching funds. Second, fund a Roth IRA for tax-free income. This diversification is key since future tax rates are unpredictable. Third, contribute maximally to your 401k if you're in a high tax bracket. Lastly, consider an IUL to access more tax benefits and downside protection without contribution limits. These strategies bring crucial benefits. First, tax diversification means flexibility in managing your tax bracket. Second, market diversity ensures some accounts are safeguarded against downturns. Finally, complete life protection guarantees your family's financial stability. The triple pillar strategy is about establishing genuine financial security against diverse challenges. Each situation is unique, so personalized planning is essential to determine the right mix of tools. At Smart Wealth Planning, we help you build a tailored strategy that optimizes these powerful tools. If you found this content helpful, like and subscribe for more financial insights. For a free evaluation of how the triple pillar strategy could work for you, click the link in the description to schedule your personal consultation. Achieving financial security isn't just about accumulating funds, it's about strategically managing your savings. Thank you for tuning into Smart Wealth Planning, where we promote informed decisions for a stable future.